The Goldenwarm 10-inch gold cabinet handles have a clean, modern bar design that instantly updates kitchen and bathroom cabinets with a sleek, coordinated look. Made from solid stainless steel with a brushed gold finish, they feel sturdy in the hand and resist everyday wear, fingerprints, and light scratches better than many hollow pulls. The generous 10-inch center spacing and longer overall length make these handles especially comfortable to grip, even on large drawers packed with heavy cookware. Installation is straightforward for most do-it-yourself projects, with consistent drilling measurements and included screw lengths that cover typical cabinet door and drawer thicknesses. The warm brushed gold tone works well with a wide range of cabinet colors and styles, from white shaker doors to darker contemporary fronts, so it is easy to create a cohesive look throughout the home. With a large matching set in one package, it is simple to outfit an entire kitchen, bathroom, or dresser bank so every handle aligns perfectly in style, size, and finish.